Going to discuss effect of dielectric on capacitance or capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slab. Consider a parallel plate capacitor. Let D is the distance between two plates. Now A is the distance between plates and A is area of plate. Now capacitance of this capacitor is given as C equal to A epsilon naught upon D. I am this, right, and I am representing this capacitance by C naught. Let charge plus Q is given to the plate R and charge minus Q is given to the plate S. Electric field will set up in between plates of capacitor, and in between plate of the capacitor electric field is given as E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, and sigma equal to Q by A. Therefore E naught equal to Q by A into 1 upon epsilon naught. ठीक. Now we are going to insert a dielectric of thickness T in between plates of capacitor where T is less than D. Here E naught will be vector E. When dielectric slab of thickness T is placed in between plates of the capacitor, then negative charge will induced on this side and positive charge will induced on this side. ठीक है. This is our plate R and this is our plate S. Due to this induced charge, induced electric field is set up inside this dielectric slab and its direction is opposite to the applied electric field. E naught यहाँ पे है तो induced electric field will be in this direction. Now the reduced electric field inside the dielectric will be E equal to E naught minus EP. It means that in this capacitor in the region of thickness D minus T, electric field will be vector E naught, and in the region of thickness T, electric field will be capital, it will be vector E. Clear? Now potential difference between plates of the capacitor will be equal to V equal to E naught and into D minus T plus E into T, because E naught exists in the region of the thickness D minus T and E exists in the region of the thickness T. Now V equal to E naught D minus T plus E naught by K into T. This is equal to E naught d minus t plus t by k. Now V equal to Q by A 1 upon epsilon naught d minus t plus t by k. Now Q equal to C into V. So V equal to CV upon A upon epsilon naught d minus t plus t by k. This V and V cancel. C equal to A epsilon naught divided by d minus t plus t by k. This is the capacitance of capacitor with dielectric slab. If this capacitor is completely filled with dielectric, that is, if T equal to D, then capacitance C equal to A epsilon naught d minus d plus d by k, and C equal to A epsilon naught d into k. We know that A epsilon naught by d is the capacitance of capacitor when the vacuum was there in between the plate. So C equal to C naught k.